Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change text border style in Google Docs. So get it started. At first, open your docs file. Firstly, then we can see and going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for the plus new option. That's waiting. And now click for the text box option and create a text box. This text box is going to the fill color option, then initial color and going to border color option, then initial color and click for the border red option and 8pt. Then border style is going to the border dash option, then initial border style it's okay. Now click for the save and close option. It's okay. Then I show the same text box border style in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.